Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. My name is Peggy-Jean, and behind the camera
is the ring.
Oh my gosh. Now, I promised yesterday we did tomato sauce, and I showed you guys how by removing the skins, a lot of people will leave the skins on because, you know, it thickens. Not necessary. I proved that yesterday. With just a few hours of cooking in the electric roaster, that sauce came out so beautifully thick. Why remove the skins? Why leave them on when you can thicken without? Dehydrate those skins. Vitamins, nutrients galore. It is a thickener. It can be used to enhance so many foods. This is a coffee grinder, aka dehydration pulveration.
Pulveration, jeez.
So you can see I did nothing fancy with the skins.
Yeah,
I just
crunchy.
put them on and let them dehydrate, and it doesn't take long. It really doesn't. Did you know you can make pizza sauce with this? You can make tomato sauce. You can make tomato soup. You can make tomato juice. You can make tomato paste. And I mean, it's just endless what you can do with this. So I'm gonna leave some recipes. I'm gonna type them out for you in the video description, right beside the title, underneath the video. Okay, there's a title of the video. You'll see an upside down triangle. A lot of people don't know, where's this video description? Click on that upside down triangle and boom, there you see our hi, welcome to our homestead. And in there I'm going to list so many different recipes for this powder. I planned on showing you, I got a brake bleeder as an alternate method instead of the food saver in the event that, you know, SHIT hits the fan and we don't have hydro. I still want to be able to, you know, put my food up. So the brake bleeder is a handheld device to take the air out. I will show that to you in an upcoming video. I can't find, because we moved and I don't have a pantry. Andy's in the process of getting outdoor jobs done to build me my pantry spot, and so then I'll unpack those boxes and it's in there, so I can't use it right now. But I've got my eldest son coming and 3 grandchildren, so this tomato powder, like I've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that was 7 trays of skins. This is 1 tray. And now what I'm going to do is, kids are home from school, okay, or they don't go to school, they're midday, I'm starving. There's nothing to eat, I'm starving. Give me a second, I'll show you how to turn this into pizza sauce and make something real quick for them so they're not starving. So I need 2 tablespoons of our tomato powder. And that can be ground so fine. I'm just doing it like this for the video's sake. I can do it a lot finer. And I need 6 tablespoons of kettle water. Whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. 6.
Stir that up. Let it hydrate for a second. I'm going to add a little bit of basil.
This basil goes with every
Season
tomato.
to suit you. You know, if this was mine I was making, I would throw in a little bit of garlic powder, maybe some oregano, whatever pleases your palate, okay? So I'm just going to, Dee Dee. She wants to say hi.
Hello. Hello, little doggy. Tough
She
guy
kicks
ass.
her feet when she's angry with us for anything. So, I don't have pizza dough here right now. I said quick for the kids. If I'm prepared, I'd have the pizza dough made. I'm pretending. So, I'm gonna cut this into, Andy likes thin crust pizza.
Yes, I like it thin.
So I'm gonna make 3 slices with this bagel. I might have to make more sauce. Spread this out. Probably could have let it hydrate a little bit longer, but it's gonna taste so good. You can do enchiladas. You can, like I said, you can do paste. You can do, oh, wait till you see the recipes. Wait till you see them. It'll blow your mind. I personally use this all the time. Anytime I make a soup, anytime I make a stew, I throw in a couple tablespoons of this, if not more, depending on what it is. The flavors are just, oh, and when you make garlic bread, sprinkle some of this on top.
Well, that'd be good, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I do it. It is good. It's awesome.
Well,
So-
apparently you never gave me a try. I never had it.
Yes, you have. Just
Well, I don't
you
remember.
Just like you don't eat leftovers.
I know, see? She knows.
So we throw our cheese on, and you can let the kids build this on their own, right? They get a big kick out of that too. I know my kids always did.
Or you can let the big kids do it too. They'd get a kick out of it too. I
Oh,
know I
yeah,
would.
you can make your own snack. Gee, that would hurt me. So I got some little sausage bits. We'll put those on. This is fake pizza. So guess what we're gonna do?
Fake eat it?
No, you're gonna real eat it, dude. I don't have pepperoni, so I had salami in the house. So I just diced that up real
That's
tiny.
just as good.
It is. It's actually sometimes
Sure.
better.
Pardon me.
Fake pizza, because it's not a real pizza crust, also deserves fake pineapple in the iCards up above.
Oh yeah.
This will be used quite a bit over the weekend.
Kids will probably just eat it right out of the
Grandkids.
jar.
Oh, probably. That'd be awesome. Here, has some pineapple. I mean zucchini. I mean pineapple.
Doesn't matter, still good for you.
That's right. I just put that tomato spoon in there, so it will be used. There.
Now you cooking it in the air fry or?
Now I'm going to put
The oven.
this in the air fryer
I knew it, I knew it.
just to toast it up. I'll bring you back. So if you're following us, oh, Gesundheit. Gesundheit.
Bless you.
If you're following us, you know we just moved. You know it was in the middle of gardening season. You know I love herbs. I OD on herbs. I dry this crap out of them. Don't have any. So we had to resort to buying it. Look how pathetic this is.
$3.
Oh
with
my
just that
Lord.
little bit.
No. But I wanted to show you guys something. I was watching a friend's video today, and I was watching meticulously as they picked off the herbs because the stems are bitter. And I thought, oh, okay. So this little trick. You grab your colander, push it through the hole, and pull. That one broke. But look. There we go. See?
Yeah.
So it broke, so you put it through again. So I'm going to get another one so I don't have to fuddle with it. And
That'll.
pull it through. There you go. How's that? We got leafage and no stemmage, right? So
Cool.
you can do that, different size colanders for different sized herbs and their stems. This comes in so handy, guys. It's a lifesaver. I just bought that to show you this. I have enough of it dried. I didn't need it, but you can never have enough. Obviously, I'm out. So what I want, while the pizza, the pretend pizza is cooking, I got some Happy Mail from a subscriber who a lot of you know. She visits a lot of the big channels. Everybody knows this girl, Mary Ranch. Love her. And she sent a card And the poor girl, she's been asking for a month. Is it there yet? Is it there? She sent it July 21st, and it just arrived yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
I mean, I'm not on the other
Wow.
side of the world. I'm next door. Hello, neighbor. So I don't understand why. And it doesn't look like it was tampered with or opened at all. So I
Yeah.
don't understand the delay. If thoughts can bring comfort, if thoughts can bring cheer, if thoughts help you know that others are near, if thoughts help to make you feel better somehow, remember warm thoughts are there with you now. Your friend, Mary Ranch.
Nice.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, thank you very
Thank
much.
you
It was
so
nice.
much. And I know you sent it when you did, and we've been waiting for it, and it means a lot to me that you even sent this card. Thank you very kindly. And I saved them all. And I've got your return address. And I heard the buzzer. Give me a second to bring this pretend pizza back with the pretend pineapple, the pretend pepperoni, the pretend sauce. Give me a sec. So, pretend pizza with pretend sauce, with pretend dough, with pretend pineapple, made out of zucchini. Well, the store says that's real sausage. Who knows? You trying it, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Is it hot, hot, hot?
It's hot.
Hot?
Good.
Should I wait?
Very good.
Now do you remember the flavor?
Yeah.
You've had it before.
Yeah.
Grandkids
good.
are coming. And when
Oh,
they're
they'll like that.
when they're hungry, 10 minutes after supper,
Yeah.
I'll make them a pizza, and it will be with this pizza sauce and this fake pineapple and the fake pepperoni and the fake dough. Well, I got real
That's
dough in
amazing.
the
You can't
freezer.
taste the difference.
I know.
It tastes like pineapple.
And the sauce, it's got rich flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put a whole bunch of recipes. I got some written down for you. Let me just see. Oops. What we're going to be looking at. Tomato juice. You would just use 1 tablespoon of tomato powder and 8 to 10 teaspoons of water. Add onion powder, sugar, salt, pepper to taste. Okay?
Right.
Tomato paste is 1/4 cup of tomato powder and 1/2 cup of water, and that'll give you the equivalent to a 6-ounce can of tomato paste.
Wow.
Who doesn't need this powder in their life? I mean, how many times have I sent you to the store, Andy, I need a can of tomato paste?
Oh, I know.
And not lately, because
No.
we've been using the powder. Tomato soup.
That's what I like. Tomato soup.
Ketchup. Let's see, we're looking at spaghetti sauce. We did that one to tomato paste. There's a few more in here. Barbecue sauce.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Spanish rice, enchilada sauce. Like there's just, it goes savory breads. And like I said, on top of the garlic cheese bread,
Yeah, that'd be
I always
good.
sprinkle a little of that tomato powder on there, and it's so good. So, there you go, guys. That tomato powder, don't leave it in your tomato sauce. Cook your tomato sauce down. It'll thicken. And if you're using Roma tomatoes, it'll thicken really quick.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Save those skins because they make so many more other things. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you
That's good.
try it and enjoy. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. 60% of people who watch our videos are not subscribed. Do you know what help that would be to us if you would just log in? It's free. Sign in, make your account, subscribe to us, please. It's such an important thing for us. Thanks again. Remember to comment below, ring that bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
I like my bell. And we'll see you next video. Thank you. Yeah, you know what would be good that we haven't tried yet? For jams. Our baguette, and take half tomato powder and equal parts of dried basil. Mix that all up together. Put a couple drizzles of like a light olive oil, spread that over and toasted.
That'd be good.
We gotta try that. We gotta try that. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
No, you're Andy. Bye.